Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be promoting a friend of mine. His name is Dakid8. That's on YouTube. Again, youtube.com/JoeteckTips. And look up here, you can clearly see it. This is his YouTube page. He's a very good friend of mine. We constantly communicate. We met at the YouTube Creator Day last year in Manhattan. It was an incredible time. He offers a lot of gameplay. He does a lot of gameplay videos and so on and so forth. He's very much into the Xbox One. He just recently got a PC. Well, will be getting a PC and going to be playing some PC gaming and stuff like that. I asked him to do an introduction video of his channel for me for this purpose, and here it is.
Check out my channel for some of the best gaming content out here, man. We gonna fight. Don't ever put me in detention again. What up? I'm coming. Well, I didn't get it. Ooh, that's you, baby. Let's.
Like the gel stripes already look nice on you.
Oh hell no! You gonna let us win this game? Make sure you slide over to my channel, youtube.com/JoeteckTips. I promise you won't be disappointed, man. See you guys there.
Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,